Duplicate File Finder becomes really useful in the following situations. 1. Release disk space. Redundant files can consume a substantial portion of your computer's hard drive or SSD if they are not removed. This accumulation has the potential to decrease the amount of space available for new files, applications, and critical system processes. 2. Preventing clutters. Files with duplicate names, particularly those with distinct names, can contribute to clutter. This is particularly true when working with multiple versions of the same document or media asset. 3. Enhance system performance. The overall performance of your computer can be slowed by the presence of an excessive number of duplicate files. The operating system's ability to locate and load critical files is impeded by the presence of redundant data. Certain factors must be considered when selecting the duplicate file detector for Windows. This tool has a powerful duplicate file finder feature which can rapidly identify and eliminate duplicate files on systems running Windows. It's totally free. Now I will show you how to use this tool. If you find it useful later, please find the link in the description. Run the tool, click Free Up on the main tab and select Duplicate Files Finder. Here, all partitions on your computer will be displayed. You can personalize it according to your needs and click Scan. In addition, if a partition is locked, the program will still scan it and display duplicate files on the partition. However, it is unable to delete the duplicated files on the locked drive. After the process is finished, all duplicate files that meet the conditions you set will be displayed. You can click the Preview button to see the duplicate files. You can select the duplicate files you want to delete. Or click Smart Select to automatically select duplicate files. Then, click Move to Recycle Bin. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.